I just got this thermal printer from Munbyn, and today we're going to open this up, set it up, and print some labels. This one is model 403B, and inside we've got some manuals, including a setup guide. And at first glance, it looks pretty comprehensive, and apparently they have a video tutorial for every single type of system setup, including support for Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android. But since I have a Windows desktop, that's what we're going to do today, and I'll also set it up for Bluetooth because the less wires I can get away with, the better. Inside the box, we've got some accessories, which will open shortly. But first, I want to take a quick look at what the printer looks like. Wow, this printer is pretty cool. It's not too heavy and I can hold it with one hand, but at the same time, I can feel that it is very solid. At the back, we have a power button on the left, and on the right, we have a USB-C port if you want to hook it up for wired printing instead. And here's where you would plug in the power adapter. So now I'm just going to go and open up this printer so we can remove the test label they slipped inside. There's a button on the right hand side that will allow you to lift the top open. And now let's see what kind of accessories is included in this box. So we've got the power adapter, and I like that the fact that the cord is pretty long, so I may not even need an extension cord. And I'm just going to go ahead and plug this in right now. And the other cable is a USB-C to USB-C cable in case you want to connect the printer to your mobile or computer. So I put together their label holder earlier, and now I'm going to place my printer on top, and you can see it fits perfectly.